Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Bentley Continental GT versus Mustang. Follow along as we break down performance, comfort, tech, and real ownership costs so you can decide which suits your life. I will cover acceleration, ride quality, interior materials, infotainment, fuel economy, and long-term value in clear terms. Expect honest statements about maintenance, warranty, and resale considerations that matter to buyers choosing between a high-luxury Grand Tourer and a performance coupe. We dig into acceleration, handling, and chassis feel so you know what to expect on road or track. I explain how engine tuning, weight distribution, and gear ratios shape throttle response and passing power. Expect comparisons of sprint times, braking confidence, and steering feedback that influence daily driving enjoyment. I will also highlight how tires, suspension modes, and optional packages change character, helping you pick based on driving priorities. If you are finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I recently used leak-proof meal prep containers that sealed perfectly during travel and fit neatly in trunks or rear seats, which is handy for road trips between test drives. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set for yourself, and now let's get back to the video. Inside, we compare seats, materials, infotainment, and cargo practicality to see which car fits lifestyle needs. I describe ergonomics, visibility, and tech features that affect comfort on long drives and daily commutes. We also discuss typical ownership costs like servicing intervals, parts pricing, and depreciation patterns, so you get a clearer picture of total cost of ownership. This helps you weigh initial sticker against long-term ownership reality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.